Hi all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. What I have here is it's a chicken burrito, and basically it's real chicken, and what I have in it is, so you can put whatever you want into it depending on who you're making it for, but what I have in here is tortilla, meat, and this is one where I actually have onions in it. And you can do whatever cheese. I have cheddar cheese in it, and I put tomatoes inside of it. You can either do a whole burrito or half a burrito or a third of a burrito, depending on whoever you're making it for. I always like to do a fruit, a vegetable, and a main course, a treat or a snack, or sometimes both. So anyway, so this is the main course. It is a chicken burrito, and then a chicken burrito that I also toasted in the oven so that, I don't know, it tastes better. I like it toasted, just so you can have a change. And then for the vegetable here, I have some cucumbers inside of here, and there's around 6 of them inside of there. And you could, if you want to, you could be able to leave a dressing with it. I didn't put a dressing with it because I don't need it. And then I have a kiwi in here. This is half a kiwi, and I have it chopped up in little bite-sized pieces for us to eat. And then for a snack, I have a Cheez-It here, a little bit of Cheez-Its. And then for the treat, I have a fruit roll up here. So these are just some ideas. Like if you want to eat more of it, you can easily double it. Always make the smallest amount, the least that they'll be able to eat, so there's no waste. Because you can always add more, such as, like, for example, do 2 packages, or you could have 2 burritos, or not 2, but actually a full burrito. So anyway, these are just some ideas of what you could be able to make for lunch. So again, you can add, take away. Again, these are just ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.